So how many people like to eat scallops? How many people don't? How many don't know what a scallop is? Well, scallops and clams are part of the US fishing industry, and it's very lucrative to the United States. It brings in lots of money a year. More specifically, Long Island employs over 6,000 people, and even further, the Peconic Estuary Bay scallop industry, at its peak, was worth over $2 million a year. So all of this is affected by the phenomenon known as brown tide. Brown tide is what causes that murky brown color in the water that you don't really want to touch. So it's caused by the excessive growth of this alga known as Areococcus aniphigefrans, so I'll call it Areo. So Areo is this microscopic single-celled plant, and it's very tiny. It's so tiny that over 4 billion cells can fit on the surface of your thumbnail, so they're really tiny. Brown tide was first observed in 1985 in Long Island and Rhode Island areas, and since then, Areo cells have been detected all the way down to Florida, so it does affect the entire eastern coast of the United States. So Areo is what causes the nice blue-green waters of Long Island that attract many tourists in that industry to turn into that brown, dishes have been sitting in your sink for a week type of water that you don't really want to touch and light can actually penetrate. So let's equate a bay of Long Island to a bowl of chicken noodle soup. Everyone pick your favorite brand, mine's Campbell's. So we have our bowl of chicken noodle soup. In it, we have chicken, noodles, and broth. So let's say that the noodles equal all the plants of Long Island bays. The chicken can be our scallops and clams that we love to eat so much, and the actual broth itself can be the seawater that contains all of our microscopic organisms, including our friends Areo. So in years that brown tide does not occur, we have our robust bowl of chicken noodle soup, equal parts chicken, noodle, and broth. So it's perfect, everyone loves to eat it. And contrast, years that brown tide does occur, our soup is slightly changed. We look down at our bowl. We don't have any noodles because the plants die off due to lack of sunlight. We don't have any chicken because our scallops and clams die off because Areo inhibits the filtration rates. What we're left with is this thick, dense broth. What you paid for is yellow water, and nobody wants that. So Areo displays many adaptations to its environment so it can actually survive in this low sunlight. So much like Alien from the movie Alien, it has many adaptations. No, not acid for blood, and instead has up to 3 times as many light harvesting genes as competing algae. So this means that it's able to grow and survive in extremely low light or lack of light environments, such as when brown tide does actually occur. So this ability overall in itself is what allows our robust bowl of chicken noodle soup to turn into yellow broth water that you don't really want to eat, much less pay for, and that affects the scallops on our plate and overall the fishing industry that brings in millions of dollars annually to the United States economy. Thank you.